Nakasurvive na ba ang lahat sa Valentine's Day? I hope everyone has. And paalala ko lang dahil may pangyayari nung Friday night, isang event namin, and it was very disappointing and frustrating at nakakagigil talaga at nakakagalit, to be honest. May mga bata na below the age of 15 years old or mga siguro nasa 13 years old yung batang yun, or maybe younger, or around that age, unruly, disrespectful, at at na-notice ko sa kanya na may kasi may pagka hindi siya sumusunod ng instructions compared to sa other mga bata na nasabihan ko na not command, but nasabihan ko na please wag dito, wag ganyan ganyan. Siya paulit-ulit. I think there's something wrong with the kid, and I hope the parents are aware about it, kasi that was already past 10 in the evening and the event just finished, and ang bata is talaga unruly sa lahat ng mga security. And siya, I think nakikita ko sa kanya na mayroon siyang trauma, na he doesn't even want to go home, at may mga ibang bata din doon na siguro naging tropa niya. I'm not so sure if they have the same family setting, na you know what I mean, na hindi maganda, na kaya naging ganyan yung experience nung bata or yung ugali ng bata. I hope your kids are not like that, and I hope you are monitoring your kids. Give them some more love. Love is not just giving everything what they want. Sometimes it includes discipline, and sometimes it includes a sincere, a fatherly, motherly, or if you are standing up as a parent of the child or of the children, be a parent to them. Be someone who is just and kind. Stay cool, stay safe, stay blessed, and peace. Amping mo.